Good morning. Let's talk about another subject concerning training, and that is going to be a little bit, we talk about cardiovascular or aerobic exercise, and I'm going to focus a little bit on women's training to give more perspective on women's training for the next few topics. We're going to discuss today cardio and or aerobic exercise. And then I'm going to go a little bit more into weight training, the principles that I like my clients to do with regards to women's training. Right, first of all, aerobic exercise means that, or cardio exercise means oxygen is involved. Why? Oxygen helps oxidize fat, so it helps burning fat. The more oxygen you get in, the more fat you will be burning. Then what is the benefits of aerobic or cardio exercise for women? First of all is cardiovascular conditioning. So in other words, it makes your heart and lungs, makes it stronger, and then it decreases heart disease, it decreases your blood pressure, it lifts up or increase your HDL, your good cholesterol, and obviously bring down the bad cholesterol. Then there's better control of your sugar levels, assess you in your weight loss programs or weight loss, fat burning and all those kind of things, weight management. It improves your lung function and it decreases your resting heart rate. Okay, what type of cardio or aerobic exercises which involved oxygen can we talk about? Swimming, cycling, walking, stepping on a stepper, rower, all the equipment that you have in a normal facility, fitness facility. That is aerobic exercise. Running, skipping rope and high impact aerobics is a little bit more on a high impact, so more fitness and level. But for our purposes, we're going to focus on swimming, cycling, walking, all the cardio equipment you got in the gym. Right, how often should you as a woman do cardiovascular exercises or aerobic exercises? Minimum of 30 minutes, 5 to 7 days per week is my recommendation to most of my women clients. 30 minutes, 5 to 7 days a week. Usually take one day in a week where you rest. The other days you can perform some cardio exercises. Start off with, if you're not fit enough, start off with shorter time periods, like for instance 10 to 15 minutes, until you're a little bit fitter and your stamina levels increases. Then you can start bumping up to a little bit more. We're going to go later into more interval training and those kind of things when you get into sticking points. Right, always important is to warm up and to cool down after any cardio or aerobic exercises. Just short, slow riding the bike to warm yourself up, to get you on a level. Remember, you're not immediately, when you step onto a bike or a stepper, you're immediately in the fat burning zone. You first need to get the heart rate up, and that usually takes between 5 to 10 minutes before you're on that level. So your 5 to 10 minutes on cardio actually doesn't count in brackets. You only start burning fat after about 5 to 10 minutes on aerobic exercise. So keep that in mind when you perform your cardio. It allows the blood to flow to the muscles, and it also prevents joint injury. That's the reason why we warm up and why we cool down. And then last thing is, there's a lot of type of ways that we can perform cardio, and I'm going to go in the next topic. I'm going to go into that to give you some highlights on how you can perform your cardio. But for now, that is what we talk about today: cardio and the benefits of cardio and how to perform cardio, cooling down and warming up before you start your cardio. And that's it for today. I'll speak to you tomorrow. Enjoy the day.